Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 4090. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Conga 4090 is making a terrible noise, it usually indicates a problem with the motor or the brush mechanism. This noise can arise from debris lodged in the motor or wear and tear over time. If left unattended, this issue can lead to more severe damage and ultimately result in the complete failure of your device. So, let's get started on the repair to restore peace and quiet to your cleaning routine. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor for your Conga 4090, a pair of tweezers, and some rubbing alcohol for cleaning. Begin by ensuring your Conga 4090 is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Carefully use a screwdriver to remove the screws on the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Gently pry off the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Once open, locate the motor. It is typically situated near the brush assembly. You may notice some dirt or hair tangled around it, which could be causing the noise. If it looks obstructed, use tweezers to carefully remove any debris. If the motor is damaged, you will need to unscrew it from its mount. Make sure to disconnect any wires attached to it, noting their positions for reassembly. When replacing the motor, carefully insert the new one into the mount, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the wires, taking care to match them as you noted earlier. Use the screwdriver to tighten the screws without applying excessive force, as this could strip the threads. Before closing the device, it's wise to test the motor briefly by powering it on. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. If everything is functioning well, proceed to reattach the back panel. Ensure all clips are aligned properly to avoid any gaps. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier and tighten them securely. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the brush and motor area of your Conga 4090 to avoid debris buildup. Additionally, consider checking for wear on the brushes and replacing them as needed. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.